Hello friends, let's continue our discussion on tuples. So in this video I'll be talking about tuple methods. Since the size and contents of a tuple cannot be modified, it's very light on instance method, and particularly useful one is the count method, which counts the number of occurrences of a particular value in a tuple. Let's say we have a tuple D which is defined as follows. So now let's say in this tuple we want to count the number of times the element 5 occurs. From this we can say it's 4, but what if we have a bigger tuple? There is a method called count that can be used to count the number of occurrences of a particular element in a tuple, and that can be called as follows. Let's print out the value directly, and you use the count method, and then you put in the element that you want to copy or count. And now let's shift enter. So now you can see that by using the count method you can directly count the number of occurrences of the element 5 within the tuple.